Are you struggling to get subscribers on your YouTube channel? Have you tried every other way and nothing seems to be working? Or maybe you're new to YouTube and you would like to grow very fast? I have a solution for you, and in this video I'm going to show you one thing, just one thing you need to do in order to get up to 1,000 subscribers or more in just about 3 days or in less than 3 days. So ensure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss out on any vital point. This method is simple and easy. I've tried it and it has worked for me, and I've also mentored other people who have tried it and they testified that it worked for them. I've gotten a lot of subscribers through this method. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Promise Breno and we are changing lives. We'll make videos about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or studies or through any other legit way. So ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. We drop content every week. And please click on the like button to support this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. So real quick, I'm going to take you to my laptop and show you how to do this thing. You can achieve this feat of getting up to 1,000 subscribers or more than 1,000 subscribers within about 3 days or less than 3 days if you can promote your best video or one of your best videos on YouTube. This was the video I promoted that gave me more than 1,000 subscribers. At the time of the advert, this was one of my best videos. It's important to note that you have to promote your best video or one of your best videos. It has to be one of your best videos or your best video. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the video, right, that I promoted. So if you want to promote it, you can just come here under the video, and here you can see promote. Now this option will be available if you're using a laptop, so make sure you're using a laptop to do it. Okay, so you come here and click on this promote. If you click on this promote, it's going to take you to where you would be able to create your new promotion. But before we delve into it, let me show you the one I did, like the promotion I did for this one. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like. So this is the promotion, or this is one of the promotions, because I promoted that video a couple of times, and you can see here the promotions impressions is more than 400,000. Then the promotional views is more than 8,000, and the promotion subscribers is more than 1,000. I realized that YouTube don't put the actual number of subscribers you gain from video through this promotion here, because I gained probably more than 3,000 subscribers or even up to 5,000 subscribers on this promotion, but YouTube didn't put everything here. This is my observation. So the potential of getting a great number of subscribers is high if you can follow the simple steps I'm sharing with you in this video. And you have to remember that you need to use your best video or one of your best video in this promotion. Scrolling down, you can see here the promotion headline I used. Then here you have to put a promotion description, which I would suggest you enter your name, the name you're using on YouTube. Okay, now for this promotion headline, it's important that it follows this kind of format. For example, the first letter should be like a capital letter and the rest should be like small letter. For each of your keywords, it's important that the first letter of each word should be a capital letter and the rest can be small letters. Scrolling down here is where you need to enter the countries you are targeting. Where would you like people to see this promotion, or where would you want this promotion to be displayed? For example, these are the countries I targeted. Then of course there's a promotion fee that you have to pay, and you can adjust this based on your capability or based on your own budget. You don't need to pay a specific amount of money. One thing you must know is that the higher the amount you pay within a limited number of days, the higher the performance. That is, the higher the number of subscribers you are going to get or the number of people you're going to reach. Now let's go back to the promotion from scratch. Remember, if you want to promote, you have to come here and click on this place, promote. Okay, so we've clicked on it and it brought us to this page. This is how it's going to look like when you're starting your new promotion after you've clicked on it. So the first place is goal. What is your main goal? So I would suggest you choose audience growth. Okay, if you want to get more subscriptions and views of additional videos on your channel, then click on this first one. Okay, if you click on this video views option, you are going to get subscribers, but it's not going to be as much as you get if you click on the first one. Very important. So after you click on the first one, which is clicking on this box, then you click on next. When you go to next, you can see that this video title is like this, because when I uploaded the video, I made the title all in capital letters, but you have to adjust the title as I told you for the promotion sake. So let's scroll down and see how our promotion is going to look like. So this is how your promotion is supposed to look like if you decide to promote this video now. Okay, this is how your promotion will look like. So we go to next. This place is where you need to enter the countries you're targeting. It already gave me these countries, but you can add more, and you can also remove any of these countries that you don't want by clicking on this X icon. Okay, so let's assume that we are okay with all these countries and you want to add more. So let's add United Kingdom. Let's add more, like United Arab Emirates, for example. You can add as many countries as possible as per their promotion policy. Then after that, you can go to the next place where you need to enter the amount of money that you are willing to pay for this promotion. Okay, so you can adjust it. It is in this currency because I registered my YouTube under Poland. So for example, if you registered your YouTube under Nigeria, what will appear here will be Naira. Now I can adjust this to, for example, 120 zloty. And also here, I can change the end date of my promotion. For example, I can make it to end on the 2nd of December. And changing the date here can impact or affect the number of views that I'm going to get depending on the amount of money that I budgeted for this campaign. One thing you must know is that the higher the amount you pay within a limited number of days, the higher the performance. That is, the higher the number of subscribers you are going to get, or the number of people you're going to reach. So if everything is okay, this first step, second step, third step, and the last step is okay, then you can go on to click on promote. So let me go on to click on the promote icon. Once you do that, it's going to appear like this. The status will be pending because YouTube have to review your video, and if everything is in line with their promotion policy and it doesn't go against their policy and everything is okay, right, then they are going to allow it, or they are going to promote it. And here the status will change to active. These other promotions below are the ones I did before. So we can preview our promotion if you want. So you can just come here if you want to preview it. If you come here, you will see this particular icon that looks like a pencil. Click on it. Then you would see the details of your promotion. You can see here pending, and now it is not yet active. When it becomes active and they start promoting your video, any amount that they charge you will appear here, and you're going to see the promotion impressions, promotion views, promotion subscribers. And remember that from my own observation, they don't put the actual amount of subscribers you get here. So you might notice that you got 1,000 subscribers and what appeared here is just maybe 300 or 500. And other videos would have been or might have been giving you subscribers, you know. Scrolling down, you can review and see what we did here. You have the opportunity to edit your promotion headline, okay? So you can actually edit it. For example, in the one I did before, I used this title. You can see here with this question mark. So if I want, I can use the same. So let me copy this one and put it here. You can adjust it anyhow you want it to be, okay? But it should be a title that aligns with your video, that aligns with your thumbnail, okay, and the content of your video, okay? Another way you can do this without going through this route, that is clicking on this promotion icon here. Another way you can do this is by going to your YouTube studio, okay? When you go to your YouTube studio and you click on content, you're going to see promotions here. So click on that promotion and it will preview other promotions you've done before if you've done any. But if you haven't done any, you won't see anything here. So in order to set up a new promotion, you just need to come and click on new promotion. And when you click on new promotion, it will take you to that place I showed you. And you can just go ahead to fill in these things that you need to fill in. Then you promote your video. Okay guys, that is it about this video. This is the Promise Breno channel, and we are changing lives, and we have a lot of videos already on this channel, and as you can see, we are doing well and we are trying our best by God's grace. And you can watch other videos on my channel if you want to move abroad through work, through studies, or any other legit way. We have a lot of videos for you to watch. Okay, so ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. We drop content every week, so you can see lots of videos that we have. I know that normally I make travel videos, but I made this video as I want to help small YouTubers to share with them about one of the secrets that have gotten me to this level, so that they can implement it and also grow. I love helping people, and I'll be happy to see you grow as well. So if you're a small YouTuber, feel free to follow me, and also feel free to book a session with me. The link is in the description under this video. If you want to learn about more secrets or things I have done that has gotten me to this level, feel free to book a session with me today. The link is in the description under this video. And also, if you would like to speak with me about your immigration vision or journey, you can also click on that link in the description below. When you book a session with us, we can tailor our advice to your own immigration need. You can ask us questions and we can answer you. Also, if you need flight reservation, let's say you're applying for visa now and you need flight reservation, we also do that. We can do that for you. What you need to do is to contact us on either Instagram or Facebook. The links are in the description under this video. If you need help with your cover letter or CV, or you want to study abroad, you need help with that, please click on the link in the description under this video and do the needful. For study abroad, contact us on Instagram or Facebook first. Please don't forget to click on the like button to support this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones and on your status on social media. All right, thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.